Good afternoon and welcome to a new video. In this video I'm going to show you the electric tagger and nailer from Parkside, the PHET 15C2. This is an electric tagger and nailer with a cable length of 3 meters. Comes with some accessories, has a 3-year warranty, and in this video I'm going to give you a better look at this product than you can see on a picture or online. As we can see on the box, you can use it for different kind of crafts. On the back side we have a multiple description, and of course your language will be there, and inside the box there will be a manual. And this set comes with 140mm nails and 410mm staples. You can use it to apply any kind of materials like canvas, wood, clothing, carpet. Let me get it out of the box and show it to you. Of course there is a multiple language, PDF online downloadable, and of course there will be a language that you will understand. Small box of staples and nails. Here you can see the sizes. And it's a very light, compact machine, and that's what I really like about it, especially if you have to work in smaller spots. Let's have a closer look. Rubber hand grip. Here is the lock button, which you can switch to each side. That's different than with other tools. So this is unlocked and now it's working. Now it's locked. Normally you have to hold it before you can push it, but this one you just put it on lock or get it off the lock. There's a sticker on this side and a small window that you can see. And on the sticker you can see the version 11/2023, the model number. First we're gonna get some staples in there. Try it on a piece of wood. And as you can see, they are different in size, 14 and 10. So the lock button is locked, so shouldn't work now. No. Unlock it. Then we put some pressure on it. It leaves some dents, but this is very soft material. Let's apply a piece of carpet. You can see them here, but they're all the way in. Let me try to remove it. That's really far in. Let's apply a piece of this insulation material. Well, if you can apply these materials, you know what you can and can't apply. I'll show you how to apply the carpet again. And that's very tight. I've used these nails on my staircase and they will hold up perfectly. It's on there for 5 years already. Had no problems with it. And when you vacuum it a couple of times, you won't even see them anymore. Now let's get this off. Removing the staples now. And then apply some nails. And you can see on the bottom on which side you have to put the nails. So they should be here. So the nails. And it also works fine. The harder you press, the deeper they go in. But then they leave a little bit of these dents. Let's see if we can try and put some nails in these. And these tools are made for home use, to apply stuff, whatever you want to use it for. Costs only $14.99. I hope I gave you a good look at this product. I made this video to show you this product in a better way than in a picture or online, so you can decide for yourself if you want to buy it, yes or no. Personally, I don't like these tools with cables. I prefer battery operated tools, but it's up to you what you think about it. So leave me a comment what you think about it. Like this video, and if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching now.